What's up guys? Today just wanted to take a quick look at this little dry bag. I've been using this for about the last, I'd say 3 years or so. I do a lot of paddleboarding and stuff on the water, and this just works really nicely, especially if you just want something small that can fit in a pack or just attach to your paddleboard or your boat or anything like that. As you can see here, not too much wear and tear, even though I use it all the time. All the seams are still welded shut and working really nicely. The exterior, obviously a waterproof material, and all you do to use this guy is just fold it down about 3 times, twist it back on itself, and then you have a little clip system here that just holds everything in place, keeps this nice and waterproof. You also have a tiny little carabiner here, which is helpful to attaching the things. And sometimes I'll just run like a cord through it and attach it kind of away from the boat, or whatever the situation is for the day. But really great system, guys. I've never had an issue with this. It's kept everything incredibly dry, and like I said, I've used it quite a bit. So if you're looking for a solution like this, check it out. I'd highly recommend it. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.